we're going to have some dumplings. Also, don't worry about the whatever's going on. I've just washed my hair, ready for tomorrow, and I've just bunged it up, okay? Could have made an effort. Didn't. Sorry about that. Anyway, dumplings. So these are I can't remember which ones are they. I don't know, but basically I literally just put them in the microwave with a bit of water. Do you know what I mean? Let's put that on there so you can kind of give it like a little... Right, also these ingredients, I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just doing it. So we're just going with the flow. I haven't got white vinegar, so we're just going to put vinegar on because I quite like vinegar on them. So get a bit of vinegar on them. Get a bit of... Why is that cracked? Whatever. Bit of soya sauce. Soy sauce. Soya? What is... Oh, soya. My bad. Right, let's go with this one first, with the mayo. And I really need to get some QP mayo because that really does taste nice on here. So, mayo. Light. Not getting that again. I'm going to go with some Tabasco. How do you do this now without pouring it absolutely everywhere? I don't know if this is a... Oh my God, what are you doing? Like... God. Right, this is what I was torn between. Teriyaki or hoisin sauce. What do I go for? What do I go for? I don't know. I'm so confused because I did have this last time. Okay. I'll tell you what, we're going to go with this because I have tried this on it and it's actually really nice. So let's just go for this sauce. This is really lush. Like, I don't really care if you're supposed to have this on dark, but we're going to go. Why does everyone's look really fancy and mine never do? But it is what it is. And then crispy onions on top. And also it's Valentine's Day tomorrow. I hope you all have another one. Lovely one. And also, how many statuses are you going to see on Facebook where you're like, oh my God, we love each other so much. Really? Okay. Do you know what I mean? Okay, right. Let's go. Gorgeous. The vinegar. It like hits. These are the Itsu ones. And you get 12 in a packet. Do you know what I mean? Oh my God, guess what I noticed? Well, no, just what I saw. A Wendy's is coming into Exeter, right? A Wendy's. I know it's American. I don't know what food it is, but I'm freaking excited for it because there's some kind of American dish coming down here. So Wendy's, hit me up, tell me what it is. Super excited. My friend texted me and showed me it. And then she was like, oh, I think it's those cheese pool things. You know, those big cheese things? And I was like, no, that's not it. That's not Wendy's. I'm sure it's something else that, isn't it? I forgot the name. And she was like, gutted. She was like, we're still going. I don't know what it is. Wendy's. What do you do? I need to go there ASAP, ASAP. Have you eaten today? If you have, what did you have? And if you haven't, have something. Something's better than nothing. Just a smidge of rooney, you know? Because I do like that. That is good. That is good. $12 dumplings done. Easy. Could do with a custard slice now. Oh, it's on the tube. Anyway, Hope you all have a nice day tomorrow. I had breakfast with my mum earlier and I actually recorded it. So that is what I'll post tomorrow because I'm actually out tomorrow. So you'll see that. You'll see something. Anyway, have a good evening.